I welcome you to the rainbow meditation. To remember that you are a unique, distinct, colorful flavor of the universe. But for now, what comes to mind, or what do you see that's red? This is a mindfulness practice. You can say it out loud or put it in the chat. Red heart. Red Canadian flag. Red apple. Red blood. Red love. Red ruby slippers. We breathe these expressions of red in our mind around us. We let them go. Orange. Red lips, Jimmy. Red rose. Okay, orange. Orange. What comes to mind with orange? Or what do you see? It can be a visual or actually out there. Orange curtains. Orange colored sky, golden hour. Orange sacral. Orange light. Someone's wearing orange shorts. Orange pumpkin. Orange marker on my desk. We breathe orange elements in. And just like the sacral creativity, sexuality, sensuality, we let it go and let it flow. Yellow. Yellow, yellow, yellow. What do you see? What do you sense? What comes to mind with yellow? Yellow happy face. Yellow sun. Yellow surfboard peg thingamajig underneath. Yellow bumblebee buzz, 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 buzz. Yellow flower. Yellow dress. Yellow rays on a logo. We breathe yellow in. We let it go and let it flow like number one in the bathroom. We move on to green. What is green around you? What is green in your mind? Green leaves. Green money, 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 money. Green trees covered in snow. That's very fascinating to sense and see the green even when it's covered with another color. Oh my God, Amanda, you're taking this to another level. Wow. Is that kind of like me saying green spinach in my stomach? Amanda, you're so creative. What do you mean 0? Girl, you're like 12. Green thumb. Green plant. Green spirulina tablet. Green tongue after licking a green lollipop. We breathe green ivy, green jade crystal hearts in, green Grinches in. We let the green go and we let it flow. Blue. What's blue in your environment to presence? But also what's blue when you just think of blue? Blue afternoon, clear sky. Blue is my mood. It just might be. Blue pen, doodly doodly doo doo doo. Blue cotton candy. Blue jacket. My blue Amanda eyes. Blue Smurfs in my imaginary world. Blue lapis. Blue water. Blue unicorn hair. We breathe all of this blue in. We let it go and let it flow. Purple. Purple. What comes to mind when you think of purple? What do you see that's purple in front of you? Blue amethyst. Purple passion. Purple music notes. Purple avatar letter. Purple nurple. Purple nurple, purple nurple. Try saying that fast. Purple nurple, purple nurple, purple, purple, purple. Can't. How about a one-eye, one-horn flying purple people eater? Grimace. Purple lollipop, purple pen, purple royalty robe, purple prayer scarf, and a sweat lodge. We breathe purple in. We let it flow and we let it go. We'll close with pink. Actually, we'll do one more. Pink. What's pink? In and around you. Pink insight timer. Arc. Around this interesting teacher. Pink is everywhere. Pink quartz. Oh, my heart. Pink sunset. Pink watermelon when it reaches near the white rind. Pink sweater. Pink unicorn towel. Pink cotton candy, pink marker, pink flesh of my eye, pink earrings, pink glitter, pink feeling of comfort, pink in the Pink Floyd poster. We breathe all this pink in. We let it go and we let it flow. And we're actually going to close with black. What's black around you, within your mind, your visuals? Black microphone. Black shadow. Black is the night around me. Black model, minimal clothing. So I don't have to think. I just grab and I know I look good because it just enhances my eyes and my jewelry. Black hair. Black charcoal. Black canvas of possibility. Midnight black. Outside my window, black cat. Black watch. Black witch hat. We breathe all the colors and the portals of black voids in. We let it go. And we let it flow. May you realize and always remember that whenever life gets dull or dim or heavy, that there is a rainbow, a kaleidoscope around us with all of creation, living, expressing, beaming, being, and all the colors we've mentioned of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, black, and a trillion other more. May you know that you are also one of those colors, and you are like a chameleon, and you shift and you change. May you allow yourself to be that glowworm that morphs into the butterflies of spectrums of rainbow light. Breathe this in. Breathe it out.